Next example. E and F are the points on the sides PQ and PR respectively of a triangle PQR. For each of the following cases, state whether EF parallel to QR. Okay. Here given one triangle. This is a triangle PQR. Okay. E and F are the points on the sides PQ and PR. Suppose point E somewhere here and F. Okay. E and F are the points on the sides PQ and PR respectively. Okay. Here we have to check whether EF is parallel to QR or not. Okay. We know Thales theorem. According to Thales theorem, if one line is parallel to one side of the triangle, that line divides other sides in same ratio. Okay. Here given PE equal to 3.9 and EQ equal to 3 centimeters, PF equal to 3.6 centimeters and FR equal to 2.4 centimeters. Okay. Let's check ratio. PE by EQ equal to 3.9 by 3. Okay. 3 table. 3 ones point 3 is 9. Okay. 1.3. Next ratio is PF by FR. PF by FR. PF equal to 3.6 by FR equal to 2.4. Okay. Multiplied with 10 by 10, which is equal to 36 by 24. 12 table, 12 threes, 12 twos. Okay. 3 by 2. Value is 1.4. Okay. 1.5. Here we get PE by EQ equal to 1.3 and PF by FR equal to 1.5. Okay. So these two ratios are not equal. Okay. 1.3 is not equal to 1.5. Okay. Then EF is not parallel to QR. Okay. Next question. Here given triangle PQR. E and F are the points on the sides PQ and PR respectively. Okay. Here we have to check whether EF is parallel to QR or not. Okay. Let's check ratio. P by EQ. P by EQ equal to P is given 4 centimeters and EQ or QE 4.5 centimeters. Okay. Next PF by FR equal to 8 by 9 centimeters. See, these two ratios are equal. So this ratio multiplied with 2 by 2. Okay. 4 twos 8. 4.5 into 2 equal to 9. Okay. This ratio equal to 8 by 9. Here we get PF by FR equal to 8 by 9. Okay. These two ratios are equal. Then EF is parallel to QR. Okay. In same way, try to solve this question.